Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you the importance of updating our computer to Windows 11. Okay, so to enhance security and to fix all your issues like camera and printing issues, then I must recommend that you must update your computer to Windows 11. Okay, so how? Just simply search for Windows Update here at the bottom search bar and just click this best match here, double tap to open, and you will be redirected to your settings and you can download it. Okay? So, the thing about the importance of Windows 11 2024 update is it is all about enhancing connectivity with the introduction of Wi Fi 7 as well as boost productivity with new quick settings and improve accessibility with advanced assistive hearing devices support and might as well extend battery life and reduce energy consumption. Okay, so it's very great to update your computer to Windows 11, especially if you have issues like camera issues or printing issues. Okay, so not just that, built it is also built to harness the power of artificial intelligence, offering speed and intelligence. So it's just amazing to update your Windows. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you learned something and I must say hopefully you update your computer to Windows 11. Okay? So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.